Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I am going to show you a quick and easy workaround to center your text both vertically and horizontally in Google Docs. Since there isn't a direct feature for this yet, we will use a simple invisible table trick. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google document. Go to the top menu, click on Insert, select Table, and choose a 1x1 table. Next, you need to expand this cell. Click and hold the bottom border of your newly created table. Drag it all the way down to the bottom of the page so that the single cell fills your entire document space. Now go ahead and type the text you want to center. Highlight your text, go up to the top toolbar, and click the center align icon. This takes care of the horizontal alignment. To center the text vertically, right-click anywhere inside the table and select Table Properties. A menu will open on the right side of your screen. Expand the cell section. Look for the cell vertical alignment option and change it from top to middle. Your text will immediately jump to the center of the page. Finally, we need to hide the table outline so it looks like a normal document. In that same Table Properties sidebar, expand the color section. Find the table border width dropdown and change it to 0 points. Click anywhere outside the table and you are done. Your text is now perfectly centered on the page. If this quick tip saved you time today, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct software tutorials. See you in the next video.